Making an Etsy sale can be really, really hard, but getting that customer to come back to buy again and again and again, that can be even harder. What's up, guys? My name is Starla from the Handmade Alphas, and today we're going to be covering a little bit of interesting data that we have acquired through eRank.com. Now, for those who aren't familiar, eRank is my very, very favorite Etsy tool, and I actually work for eRank now, though I don't get paid to recommend it. And working for eRank has opened me up to a lot of really cool experiences, but it also helps me to get data that not a lot of other people get to see. The latest bit of data that I've gotten my hands on is some buyer surveys. And these are surveys that were conducted to Etsy shoppers, not Etsy sellers. We don't get a lot of opportunities to really look into the eyes of our Etsy buyers, and we don't really get to see these unbiased responses that take place while the customer is in the process of shopping. In the peak of the Etsy holiday shopping season, eRank conducted a survey to a panel of 1,061 Etsy shoppers that asked, what would make you buy from an Etsy seller again? And sure, guys, initial sales are really, really important, but it's those repeat buys that are going to help carry your brand further. Those initial sales provide outreach and the ability to really set the bar and standard for your brand. Not to mention, these first sales are going to help you to rake in the initial reviews that are going to help the overall perception of your brand over time. But repeat customers are even more valuable. In business, the 80-20 rule states that 80% of your sales should come from 20% of your customers. These are the fanatics who love your brand, who trust your brand, and who recommend you to others. And these super fans are the ones that we really want to cozy up to. So, how do we encourage those repeat sales? We do it by knowing what is most important to our buyers. Which brings us back to our initial question. What would make you return to an Etsy shop to make a second purchase? Of the 1,061 shoppers surveyed, 41.9% said that nice packaging was important to them and can be an influence in whether or not they returned to that shop to make another purchase. 39.5% said that a personal note from the seller included in their package would increase the likelihood that they would return. Not surprising, a whopping 61.6% of shoppers said a coupon code would be a contributing factor that would lead them to purchase from a shop again. And lastly, 48.3% of shoppers said that a freebie included in their order would lead them to return to that shop. Now, the cool thing about these 4 items is that you can appeal to all of them quite easily. I propose that we group these qualities together, making for one perfect unboxing experience. For your packaging, you can very easily and cost efficiently improve the customer experience with things like tissue paper, and bonus points if you can get it in your branding colors. The same with ribbon, which once again can be purchased in your brand's colors, or maybe crinkle paper. Reusable bags. I personally purchased little silk wedding favor bags in bulk for my jewelry, and customers loved them because they were able to keep them and use them for storage. You can also do branded boxes if you want to spend a little more money, stickers with your logos on them. If you sell print on demand through Printful, you can warehouse your inserts or pack-ins for your orders to make them feel a bit more personal. You could use recycled wood shreds, branded packaging sleeves, care instructions for your items, and anything else that you can really set your mind to. Just be conscious of the type of customer that you're selling to. If your target customer is an eco-friendly mom, packaging your items in plastic might not be the best option, so look for a more natural packaging option. For your personal note, you can write it by hand or have them printed, though I will say from experience, a handwritten note feels really, really special. You can say things like, "Thanks so much for your order, Bob. The color you chose for your custom pillow is my personal favorite, and thanks for supporting my small business." And here's a little pro tip. Address them by name. In the 1936 classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, he says, A person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. So address your customers by name. You won't believe how much of a difference it really makes. For a coupon code, you can easily print a discount code right on your business cards, or print them out as their own special ticket to place in orders. Or if you add a handwritten note to your customers, you can write that coupon out for them, which feels even more personal and special. Just be sure to use really good handwriting or make the code something super simple that they can easily remember. Lastly, a freebie included in your packages can show a customer that you care. And these don't need to be a product that you make or anything too pricey. It could be a sticker or a keyring. When I sold jewelry, I sometimes would include a polishing cloth around the holidays. An individually packaged tea bag or a gemstone is a great option for shops with a natural vibe. For digital shops, a bonus download or printable could be an option. Plantable seed paper, which you can now even have business cards printed on. Maybe a branded magnet, a sample of one of your products like a small soap slice, an inspirational quote printed on a small piece of cardstock, or even a small art print. I've even received a small container of Play-Doh with the items that I've purchased for my daughter on Etsy, which can be purchased in packs of 50 for around $20 on Amazon. So if you want to create the dream customer experience that is going to bring a shopper back to your Etsy shop to purchase again and again, start with a nice package. Add in a quick thank you note. Include a return customer coupon and a small treat to show your appreciation. With these 4 things combined, you'll be appealing to the 4 most important things that real Etsy sellers have said would help them to return to a shop to make a second purchase. This is just the first of a set of videos that I plan to be doing based on more of this wonderful survey data that we received from real Etsy buyers. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Make sure that you click the bell icon to ensure that you get that notification every time I post a video, and hang out with us every single Friday live at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Pacific time for the Friday Bean, where my husband Mark and I answer your questions every single week. Huge thanks to eRank.com for providing this amazing data. Guys, make sure that you go sign up for a free eRank plan if you don't have one already. There is amazing tools at eRank.com that will help you to optimize your listings, that will help you to improve your listings in search, and that will help you to find things like spelling errors, help you to track packages, and help your shop overall to become the very best that it can possibly be. I also recommend subscribing to Pam Duthie's channel, because Pam is also an employee at eRank, and she's going to be doing this series with me and talking about some of the things that she has learned through these customer surveys that we have been able to get access to. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link to Pam's channel down below. Go subscribe to her, tell her that Starla sent you, and watch out for her new videos as well, because she's going to be covering some of these amazing customer surveys that we were able to acquire through eRank.com. All right, guys, until next time.